Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. After a nice long break for the holidays, it's good to be back tapping again. We only have 3 more steps to learn in the beginning tap tutorial series, so we will be completely finished with this series by the end of January. And after we've finished the series, we are actually going to learn a basic combination to Singing in the Rain, which was a request from one of you guys, and it's going to incorporate all the steps that we have learned in the beginning tap tutorial series. So today we are going to learn the buffalo, or the shuffle off to buffalo. So let's get started. The buffalo incorporates 3 steps: a leap, a shuffle, and another leap. So if we're starting on the right foot, you're going to start off with a leap, leaping onto the right foot, leap, shuffle with the left foot, shuffle, and leap back to the left foot. Again, that's leap, shuffle, leap. On that second leap, when you're coming back, you're going to bring your right foot in front of the left foot so it's ready to go again. Leap, shuffle, leap. I'm going to do it to the back so that you can see it a little bit better. Starting with the right foot, we have leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. Now, ideally, you're going to want to keep those heels up. It's a little hard when you're learning it slowly, as we've learned with the other steps, but let's keep practicing. To the right again, we have leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. All right, let's now try it to the left. So we're going to leap onto the left foot, leap. We're going to shuffle with that right foot, shuffle, and we're going to leap back onto that right foot, bringing the left foot in front. Slowly again, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. And to the back, with the left foot, we have leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. So let's try it a little bit faster on both sides. We're going to start going to the right and then to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. And now to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leap, shuffle, leap. Little bit faster. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. Great. Let's learn a little rhythm combination that is going to help you practice the buffalo. So we're going to start out on our right foot, and we're going to do 3 buffaloes going to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. Then we're going to do flap ball change. If you haven't yet learned the flap ball change, make sure you check that out in the beginning tap tutorial series. I will link the videos below where you can find those steps. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, flap ball change. Now we're going to go back to the left. Same thing. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, flap ball change. So we just do it to the right, 3 buffaloes, flap ball change, then back to the left, 3 buffaloes, flap ball change. I'll show you that to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, flap ball change. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, flap ball change. Great. You're going to do the exact same thing. This time, only if you're ready, we're going to turn it. So we're going to do the 3 buffaloes, but turning in a circle. So if we're going to the right, our right foot is ready, it will look like this. Leap, shuffle, leap. That turns you about a third the way. Leap, shuffle, leap. Another third, and then back to the front. Leap, shuffle, leap. Then you're ready for your flap ball change. We're going to do it now to the left. Leap, shuffle, leap. Turns you a third of the way. Leap, shuffle, leap. Turns you a third of the way. Leap, shuffle, leap. Now we're ready for our flap ball change. So let's try that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, the lap ball change. Leap, shuffle, leap, shuffle, leap. Get ready to turn. Leap, shuffle, leap, shuffle, leap, shuffle, leap, the lap ball change. Leap, shuffle, leap, shuffle, leap, shuffle, leap, the lap ball change. Great job today, guys. Okay, make sure to practice this combination so that you're really, really comfortable with the buffalo, because we will be doing it in our basic combination at the end of the month. I will see you in the next video. Make sure if you like this video to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with friends. That would be awesome. It would really help me out a lot. I hope you guys are having a great new year so far and looking forward to the next video.